Hi everyone, here we've got HTC Desire 20 Pro and let me show you how to block specific number on this device. So actually you have two options to choose from. Let me show you the first one. So let's open the dialer and let's click the three dots icon. Click on the settings and click on blocked numbers. As you can see, here we've got our blacklist, which is empty right now. Here we've got also the super useful feature. Your device is able to block all unknown calls from unidentified callers. Now it is active, but if you want to turn it off, just click on the switcher. I will turn it on because it's quite useful. And as you can see, the second option, we can add a number manually, so simply click on it. And here, let's enter the number you want to block. If you already click on block, and as you can see, it immediately appears on our blacklist. If you want to unblock it, nothing easier, simply click on this X button right next to it and click on unblock. And now it disappeared and this number is unblocked. Another option to block someone is through your contact list. If you've got saved number, then simply find it. Click on the three dots icon and click on block numbers. As you can see, your device is informing you that you will no longer receive calls or texts from that number. I don't want to report it as a spam. Simply click on block if you're ready. As you can see, it is blocked. Let's get back and check our blacklist. Settings, blocked numbers, and as you can see, here we've got our newly added number. So if you want to unblock it, you can do it through the contacts or simply get into the blacklist and click on this X button right now. Click on unblock and it is unblocked. Let's check in our contacts. Let's get back. And as you can see, it is unblocked. So that's all. This is how to block number in your HTC Desire 20 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.